Hey everybody, my name's Ronnie George.
And I'm Heather Matlock.
And right now we're outside of our listing 412 Hillcrest, located in the Garden District. But Heather knows far more about this area than I could ever imagine, so I'm going to let her tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, this is in the Garden District of Alexandria, but this area has its own name, the Avenues. Some people call it the Island. And our listing, 412 Hillcrest, is an exemplary mid-century modern designed by Alexandria architect Fred Barksdale. But let's go see the inside.
All right, so now that we're inside, I'm going to tell you about the boring details, and Heather's going to tell you about all the fun stuff. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath home sitting on a little over 0.64 acres, and it has over 4,500 heated square feet.
Actually, don't forget, there is that artist studio that technically could be added as a 5th bedroom very easily if somebody wanted to. So, you know, if someone needs a bigger house.
That is a good point. I do tend to forget about that. Thank you for bringing that. What else?
Well, during their renovation that they did, when these owners bought it, they updated the whole house in keeping with the mid-century feel. It is a luxury home. Nothing in here is found at Home Depot or Lowe's. You will have unique, one-of-a-kind everything.
True.
But that's when they did that artist studio. It could be a perfect work-at-home situation, too, if somebody wanted a separate thing, but for a 5th bedroom.
That is true. And also, we did have a broker's open here not too long ago, and we had a ton of people.
We did.
So we did have a lot of space.
Yeah, somebody commented, they said, you know, there's like 25 people in here and it doesn't feel like it at all. This would be a great place for entertaining. And I think it would. Definitely open floor plan, but keeping with the feel of the mid-century modern.
Right. What's your favorite part about this house?
My favorite part is probably the master bathroom. It's got the amazing sunken shower that can also be a tub. So when you come out of the infrared sauna, you're supposed to dip in there.
It does have the sauna, yeah.
Yeah, I could see myself in that.
Yeah, no, it definitely has a lot to it. Yeah, I mean, literally everything Heather said. It has so much detail, so much energy that's completely well thought out, and it's very meticulous. And again, this backyard, you're not going to find something like this on over half an acre in Alexandria.
No, it's a huge backyard, and it's a blank slate right now. Anybody could come in and do whatever they wanted back there.
Very true. Well, I think that's enough about the listing. Heather, you've been absolutely amazing. And as I told you before, she knows more about this house and this area than I could ever imagine. But I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. And also, if you want to see the current listing price and get in touch with us, simply click the link either above or below, wherever we have it. And other than that, I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks. Thank y'all.
Have a good one.